Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll learn how the style reference works in Image to Image. We're going to start with a basic example by selecting a home interior image. We'll enter a basic prompt, and let's see what the result looks like. The result looks nice, but it's not quite the Japanese anime-style house we're aiming for. It lacks that unique aesthetic. Now, let's select LightX Style Reference feature. I'm going to select this image as our reference, an authentic Japanese anime house. Let's set our style bar to 100 and generate the result. Doesn't this look exactly like an anime? The colors, the details, everything captures the essence perfectly. Now let's see what happens when we reduce the slider. I'll set it to 58. Notice how lowering the slider reduces the style's influence. The anime look is still there, but it's less vibrant. This is perfect if you want a subtle blend while keeping some of the original image's features. Now, let's experiment by taking the slider all the way down to 4%. As you can see, at such a low strength, the result is almost similar to the image without any style reference. The lesser the style strength, the less influence the reference image has. Finally, let's compare the results. As you can see, the image with the maximum style strength has all the complete details and colors, while the lower strengths gradually lose the reference's influence and respect the prompt.